It's a very cloudy day today, and the batteries are not going to be charged much. So this is a perfect trial by fire to see how this new battery behaves, because it's still connected into the system. So we shall see soon. Does it work? Does it maintain the refrigerator? And here it is, running. It's overnight, still has 15.7 volts on it. And the other charger here, they're basically just getting small amounts of trickle charge from the cloudy sky. So only the lead acid batteries are being charged by a small amount of current, 0.02 amps. And the lithium ion is not getting any charge. So we'll see how it goes. And the lead acids have been touched up overnight with that Centaur, in case they didn't get fully charged yesterday by sunlight, which of course they did, since yesterday was a sunny day. Well, the largest lithium ion battery is collecting significant current from the panels, even though it's mostly shaded right now, partly shaded. So 8 amps, 5 amps, and a fraction of an amp. The new battery looks like we're getting a little bit, well, it's a fraction of an amp there. And then here, fraction of an amp. Probably the majority of the current, not this time. There's 8 amps. So a sizable chunk of the current is going into the lead acid batteries. They do get prioritized, so it's not surprising. So the final effect so far is that the battery has run successfully overnight, and it has partly recharged, has fully charged yesterday because it was a sunny day, and then partly discharged overnight and is now in the recharge cycle during this cloudy day. And everything seems to be going well, so it's going to be worth it to permanentize this pack a little more. It's still got its plastic wrappers from when I bought it. I bought the cells that were wrapped. So it's time to kind of clean it up and finalize the metal bus bars. Okay, it's charging up. It's 5 amps. 5 amps there. Charging up good. I suspect the rain may have actually washed off any dirt on the sun sensor dome, and it may have helped fix it, because I'm noticing the right side panels are now tracking better than before. So perhaps it was just dust and dirt built up over 2.5 years that caused it to get misaligned and stop tracking. And it's pretty much charged up to 16.5 volts. Seems to be fine. So the next stage is I'm going to clean it up some and then install it permanently.